Hello, children! Welcome to grammar class! Today we're diving into one of the most important building blocks of English, nouns. You might think we know nouns. Yes, but today we'll level up. Ready? Let's make it a game. Warm up. Think of 5 examples for each category. Ready? Go! Awesome! Let's check some examples in the table. Nouns are naming words for people, animals, places, things, actions, qualities, or feelings. For example, water is a thing, Taj Mahal is a place, and happiness is a feeling. Types of nouns. Now, let's focus on 2 key types, proper and common nouns. Proper nouns. A proper noun is the name of a specific person, place, or thing. It's like a VIP in the noun world. Examples: India, Delhi. See how each name is special? That's what makes them proper. Common nouns. A common noun is a general name for things, people, or places. Examples: tiger, smoke, girl, boy. If you say, I saw a tiger, that's common, not I saw a tiger named Raja. Got it? Proper nouns are specific and capitalized. Common nouns are general unless at the start of a sentence. Great job! Let's dive into more specific nouns. Countable nouns. Countable nouns can be counted in numbers. Examples: box, book, dog, dollar. When I say I have 3 books, I can count them, okay? Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns can't be counted. Examples: rice, flour, butter, honey. Can we count honey like books? No, but we measure it in jars. That's the difference. Abstract nouns. These refer to qualities, states, or feelings we can't touch or see. Examples: beauty, bravery, happiness. Can you touch happiness? No, you can feel it, but not hold it. Concrete nouns. A concrete noun is a physical thing we can see, touch, or hear. Examples: river, island, money. So when I say, look at that river, you can see it and touch it. Material nouns. Material nouns name the materials or substances things are made from. Examples: cotton, gold. Did you know a shirt is made of cotton? Collective nouns. These represent a group considered as one unit. Examples: a cloud of dust, a library of books. When we say a library of books, we treat it as one group. Neat, right? Now that we know noun types, let's practice. I'll give you sentences and you sort the nouns. Ready? Check your answers below. Great job! Let's move on and explore how nouns fit into sentences. Singular nouns. A singular noun refers to one person, animal, place, thing, or idea. Examples: doctor, fox, library. I have 1 fox is singular. Got it? Plural nouns. Plural nouns refer to more than one. Examples: doctors, foxes, libraries. I have 3 foxes. We add es to make it plural. Quiz time! Let's spot singular and plural nouns. Ready? Which is singular and which is plural? Got it? Great job! Let's practice gender and plural nouns. Ready for more fun? He is a policeman while his wife is a doctor. Policeman is masculine and doctor can be either, but here it refers to a female because of wife. Abstract nouns from adjectives. Abstract nouns are ideas, qualities, or feelings we can't touch or see. Now, let's learn how to make abstract nouns by adding suffixes to. You can form abstract nouns by adding suffixes from these. For example, brilliant becomes brilliance. Refer becomes reference. We'll also practice turning adjectives, common nouns, and verbs into abstract nouns. For example, able becomes ability. Foolish becomes foolishness. You can practice more with your friends, too. All right, let's play a game. We'll form abstract nouns using these suffixes. I'll give you a word, and you'll turn it into an abstract noun. Let's do it. Great job, everyone! Here are the answers. All right, children, fantastic work today. Keep practicing and don't forget to subscribe for more fun lessons. See you next time. Bye!